Hello students, welcome to my online class. I am your English teacher of LPM Public School that is situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. So the students, this is a revisional video of class 3rd chapter number 7 and the name of chapter 7 is The Tale of Peter Rabbit. Students, in this video we are going to explain exercises of this chapter. Here exercise A. Exercise A is complete these sentences. So the here sentence number 1. You have to complete these sentences according to the story. So here first sentence is Peter Rabbit lived with his family in a sandbank. Next sentence is that is number 2. Mrs. Rabbit warned the children not to go into Mr. MC Gregor's garden. Next, third sentence is Flopsy, Mopsy, and Cottontail went down the lane to gather blackberries. Next, fourth sentence is Naughty Peter ran into Mr. MC Gregor's garden. Next, fifth sentence is in the garden, Peter ate lettuce, beans, and radishes. Next, sixth sentence is when Mr. MC Gregor saw Peter, he jumped up and ran after Peter. So the students now exercise B, and exercise B is answer these questions. Here question number 1, and the question number 1 is why did Mrs. Rabbit leave her children alone one day? And now answer of this question is Mrs. Rabbit left her children alone one day because she went to the baker shop. So the students once again listen carefully. Answer of this question. Mrs. Rabbit left her children alone one day because she went to the baker's shop. Now next question number 2. And question number 2 is why did Peter disobey her? And now the answer of this question is Peter disobeyed her because he was naughty. So the students once again listen carefully. The answer of this question, Peter disobeyed her because he was naughty. Now next, question number 3. And question number 3 is why did Mr. MC Gregor chase Peter? And now the answer of this question is Mr. MC Gregor chased Peter because he spoiled the garden and eat beans and lettuce. So the students once again listen carefully. Answer of this question, and the answer is Mr. MC Gregor chased Peter because he spoiled the garden and eat beans and lettuce. Next, question number 4. And question number 4 is which items did Peter lose in the garden? And now the answer of this question is Peter lost his shoes and jacket in the garden. Once again listen carefully. Answer of this question, Peter lost his shoes and jacket in the garden. Next, question number 5. And question number 5 is how did Peter escape from Mr. MC Gregor's garden in the end? And now the answer of this question is after wandering here and there, Peter found the way out of the garden than he escaped from Mr. M.C. Gregor's garden. So the students once again listen carefully. Answer of this question. After wandering here and there, Peter found the way out of the garden. Then he escaped from Mr. M.C. Gregor's garden. Now, students, come to the next exercise, that is exercise D. And exercise D is fill in the blanks with the most suitable words from the box. So the students, you have to complete this exercise with the help of these words that is given to you. Here, first sentence is we all dash into Dipti's car. Now tell me, which word will use here? Here correct word is squeezed. So the sentence is we all squeezed into Dipti's car. Now next sentence is Martha dashed her red scarf to stop the taxi. Now here correct word is waved. Now the sentence is Martha waved her red scarf to stop the taxi. Next sentence is that is sentence number 3. The baby dashed out of the crib when his mother was asleep. Here correct word is twitched. And now the sentence is the baby twitched out of the crib when his mother was asleep. Now next, fourth sentence is the cat's tail dash as it stared at the rat. And here correct word is wriggled. And now the sentence is the cat's tail wriggled as it stared at the rat. Next, fifth sentence is it rained just after the farmer dashed the rice field. Here correct word is hoed. Now the sentence is it rained just after the farmer hoed the rice field. Now next exercise E. And exercise E is write a suitable word for each of these sentences. Choose from the box. Means to say that you have to write suitable words for these sentences and you have to take help from these box. Here first sentence is Flopsy, Mopsy and Cottontail listened to their mother and went together blackberries. And now here correct word is for this sentence is obedient. Next sentence is that is number 2. Peter did not listen to his mother and ran into Mr. M.C. Gregor. Here correct word is for this sentence naughty. Naughty is the correct word for this sentence. Next, third sentence is Mr. M.C. Gregor waved a rag and shouted, "Stop, thief!" Here correct word is angry. Angry is correct word for this sentence. Next, fourth sentence is Peter was out of breath and trembling with fright. Here correct word is scared. Scared is the correct word for this sentence. Next, fifth sentence is Peter decided not to speak to the cat because he had heard about cats from his caution. Now, correct word is careful. Careful is the correct word for this sentence. Now, exercise F. And exercise F is fill in the blanks with these letters. You have to fill up these words with the help of these letters. Here first word is underneath, and in this word you will write EA. First word is underneath, second word is mischief, third word is dreadfully, fourth word is sieve, fifth word is thief, sixth word is knee, seventh word is receive, eighth word is wait, ninth word is withdraw, 10th word is quiet, 11th word is speak, and 12th word is tears. Ninth word is wheelbarrow. Now exercise G, and exercise G is complete this table. You have to complete this table according to the degree. First word is sweet, sweeter, sweetest. Sweet is a positive degree, sweeter is the comparative degree, and sweetest is the superlative degree. Next, cold, colder, coldest. Cold is positive degree, colder is comparative degree, and coldest is the superlative degree. Third word is strong. Strong is a positive degree, stronger is a comparative degree, and strongest is the superlative degree. Fourth word is big. Big is a positive degree, bigger is comparative degree, and biggest is superlative degree. Fifth word is thin. Thin is positive degree, thinner is comparative degree, and thinnest is superlative degree. Next, exercise H. Exercise H is circle the correct words within the brackets. Means to say that you have to circle the correct words that is given to you. First sentence is Sakshi is, and your options are tall, taller, tallest, girl. So the students here correct word is tall. Sakshi is a tall girl. Next sentence is, that is sentence number 2. Drawing an elephant is easy, easier, easiest. So the students here correct option is easier. And now the sentence is, drawing an elephant is easier than drawing a tiger. Third sentence is, Mount Everest is the higher, highest. So the students here correct option is highest. And now the sentence is, Mount Everest is the highest mountain on earth. Fourth word is, the Pacific Ocean is, and your options are deep, deeper, deepest than the Atlantic Ocean. And here correct option is deeper. And now the sentence is, the Pacific Ocean. Now the sentence is, the Pacific Ocean is deeper than the Atlantic Ocean. Fifth sentence is, dolphins are among the smartest animals in the world. Students here correct option is smartest. And now the sentence is, dolphins are among the smartest animal in the world. So the students, you have to learn all exercise of this chapter. I hope this is clear to you. Thank you.